Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you doing? So, I didn't go on my date because I got in trouble and my mom said no. So, frowny face. But, what I figured I'd do is I'd talk about one of my favorite classes ever, and I guess I'm gonna start making like review videos too, because I know all of my friends say I'm really good at teaching, and I take AP classes and honors classes at school, and I've taken class AP biology, and I passed it with a 4 on my AP test. The highest you can get is a 5, so I was really happy about that. So I figured, you know, at that time of year, you're just like, I don't want to do this anymore. So I figured I could, if I say figured one more time, I figured I could make a video reviewing some of the main parts, some units of AP biology, just to help all my AP bio friends out, hopefully help you make a 4 or a 5 or a 3, whatever you want to make, and spread the knowledge. I'm probably gonna do this, my head is so itchy. I'm probably gonna do this in multiple videos, so like this will be like part 1. If you like this video, be sure to like it. Comment down below what AP subject you might want to see next. I've taken AP biology, AP government, AP Spanish, AP English, AP calculus, AP US history, and AP American history. So I've taken 7 AP classes. I haven't taken 2 of the AP tests yet because I'm taking them this year, and I've only didn't pass 1 of them. Everything else I passed at the 3 or higher. I made a 5 on AP US history, so evidently I'm good at that. And yeah, I think also in addition to AP videos, I can help with ACT prep. I'm actually tutoring a kid right now in ACT prep, so maybe I'll make some videos on that. But for right now, I'm going to just do some AP biology, and let me show you guys. This is a 3-inch binder, okay, and I have a notebook. So, and the notebook's completely full. So I have a lot. But for right now, I'm just gonna go over, let's see, what am I gonna do today? I made so many notes. Like, I have my notes. I just dropped everything. I have my notes color coordinated and everything, so that's smexy. Oh, I have stickers. I have stickers. Yeah. Okay. Let me put these. I just knocked something down. Don't know what it was, but I heard it. So, for starters, if you have time in your free time, you need to be studying for your AP test. Doesn't matter which AP test it is. You just need to study. And if you know the basic stuff, you can get tested on anything in AP biology and you can pass it. So, let me skip ahead to my review. If I find this review, I will copy and paste it down below, and I'll do my best. If not, keep watching these videos. Oh, so the one thing that helped me out most on the test is if you go to AP, if you go to College Board, not AP Classroom, they have these free response questions that are already done, and they have like student examples and stuff, and it'll show you like how to answer the question. So if you memorize what they're looking for, then you know how to answer it. Okay, so other than that, Let me go on. My friends are doing genetics right now, so I actually walked in their class the other day just because, and they were doing like DNA transcribing and stuff. So it was really cool. So actually I'll go to the chapter ahead of them. Probably gonna cut all of this out. Okay. They're on that chapter, so it'll be on chapter 19. Alrighty, let's talk about DNA profiling. I love DNA profiling. It was definitely one of my most favorite parts of AP Biology because because of the case study I had to study. But basically DNA profiling, which is also genetic profiling. So side note, you need to know both terms for the AP test, so that in case they say DNA profiling, you need to know what it is. Or if they say genetic profiling, you need to know what it is. And this is when genetic markers that vary in population can be analyzed for a given person to determine that person's unique individual genetic markers. So what can happen is, inside the DNA, you're going to have a chain of codes, right? So each chain is going to be a certain length, and each person has a different length. So what they can do is they can pull out these codes. Scientists can pull out these codes and figure out what you are, who you are. And that's how they can take DNA samples and track who is who. Okay? So it's impractical to test the entire genome because every single person has just about the same exact DNA. So yeah, everyone has a different DNA, but everyone's going to have 99% of the same DNA. So that 1% is what makes you different. So small variations in it are called short tandem repeats, which are repeated 2 to 5 nucleotide sequences. So this is what I was talking about. So how they can pull out these little sequences in your DNA. These are used to differentiate people because this can be extremely varied. So, for example, I can have a sequence that goes GT, 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 GT over and over again, but someone else might have CA, 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 CA. Even though they can complement each other, they are different. So every person's going to have a different one. Gel electrophoresis and nucleic hybridization are different ways that you can pull out these genetic markers to find out who is who. Gel electrophoresis sorts DNA molecules by size. So, you'll have to look that up, which is really, really cool. So gel electrophoresis uses a gel made of polymer as a molecular sieve to separate out the mixture of the nucleic acid fragments by length. Each sample is placed in a separate well at one end of a thin slab of an argose gel. The gel is set into a small plastic support system and immersed in an aqueous buffered solution in a tray with electrodes on each end. A current is then turned on, which is connected to the gel, causing the negatively charged DNA molecules to move towards the positively charged end, and the shorter fragments move faster and farther. So the way this works is, it's kind of like weight. The smaller the weight, the faster you're going to move, correct? So when you put the DNA in the little wells at the end, and you charge it, the DNA is negatively charged because of the negative electrons, right? So when the DNA is moving down, it's going to want to go to the positive end. So that negatively charged, the smaller ones are going to move faster. So it's going to create this kind of like code, where it's going to be like line, 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 right? Well, if I have a picture of it, I can show you guys that. But these, why is it out of order? My stuff is out of order. These lines are used to tell whose DNA is for who. So they can use this in real life for criminal cases, so that they can tell who the DNA belongs to if they have a line of suspects. So, for example, let's say they collected a fingerprint in like some hair. Let's say they collected some hair from a crime scene. They can take the DNA from the hair, put it in the gel electrophoresis, and then compare it to the other suspects. Whenever they do the gel electrophoresis, whichever traits of lines are exactly the same, that's who the person is. Does that make any sense? I hope so. So let me see if I have any more important notes on that, because I want to give you guys everything that I have. Right? So okay. So that's that. And it's really simple once you understand it. And if I have a picture, I'll put it like here when I'll talk in the background, so that like you can figure out like what I mean. Pause the video to study the picture if you want to. And if not, I just made this like quick little video for like nothing. And it's okay. Anyway, so that's that. Thank you for watching this video. I really hoped it was informative. Let me know if you thought it was helpful at all, and if it wasn't, sorry. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and comment down below what type of video you would like to see next, whether it's ACT prep, other AP tests, more help with some AP tests that you have right now, whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye!